Ngavana wa kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Junior Niwaweta Kana Silikali yake Nikuungamia Ngalama ya Sivitali ya Manakwatie Mauumisye Mbangani ya Lelu Kisioni cha Kalembwani na Ngalama Mathiko kwa Manatiiwe ni Thayu Mbangani isu Ngavana Mutula umbula kiti na wakutambuka kuona Manakwatie Mauumisye na maende kukwata uiti Sivitali ni munene wa Makueni na valawa kadhia madaktari ala maende kuita awa mulei mulinge na mauvo. Ngavana kalawa tembea Sivitali ni wa Makueni County Referral Hospital kuisya undu wa uma mbanga maende vila Ngavana Mutula Kilonzo Junior Yake kana maende kuvova haya dhana kuungamia Ngalama sia uti wa mwana Ngalama sia Mathiko sia nende mwonza la Manatiiwe ni Thayu Mbangani sunduku.
So far the reports are good and we are going to take care of their bills, the ones who are here including the child, so that they are not put to any disadvantage. It was a very serious accident, and we thank God that the injuries are not as bad. We have had testimony from mothers, we have had testimony from even the young man as to what transpired, and we want to thank God that they have survived this accident. Many lost their lives in that accident. 7 actually.
Banga ina kitiki utukuno wakata na mafutu Kisioni cha Kalembwani kaunti ya Makueni. Unanakala nende alama na umete Kisioni cha Ivingoni kaunti ya Oima na indete cha dhini.
The victims themselves have testified that they feel well taken care of. Some will go for surgery in 2 days, 3 days to repair the injuries, some in tibia, some lower below the knee. And we are hopeful that they will leave the hospital. We are going to discharge two of them who are here. Will leave the hospital immediately because there is no reason for them to continue staying here. Their injuries and the scans have demonstrated that they don't have internal injuries. Even the gentleman who was the turn boy, he has no internal injuries. It's only that he is asleep, and it's good for him to recover that way.
Sivitali ni iva ende kuitiwa au na mambanga isivala eli metikilo kuenuka.
So we are taking care of their bills and the fractures through the hospital, and we are also will be taking care of the funeral expenses together with the community. Will help in making sure that people bury their loved ones. The team, the executive team, some have visited the families at Katolia yesterday. We have asked the base commander, NTSA, to inspect that vehicle so that we are going to assist the families obtain the necessary paperwork in the event that any of them is inclined to file legal suits against the owner and insurer. This morning I have received a report that the usual ambulance chasers have already gone to the family, and that is why we have offered that service so that families are not disadvantaged by people who want to assist them but at the same time take advantage of their situation.
Mutongo TV kuma wote Makueni nyenetwa mulei molingam.